Okay, up next is the Bluetooth Wi-Fi stuff. What I'm going to do is I just disconnect them and make it out of order, and I don't want that to happen, so I'll just take a piece of tape just to keep them in the correct order so nothing goes wrong. Alright, so basically I'm sure I could even leave that there if I wanted to. So basically, now when I take it apart, I just gotta make sure that it'll make sure it's in the same order. Just remove these two screws. And then I gotta lift up these leads, and just gotta be careful. Not to lift up too hard. Choose something really small. Yeah. You just want to lift it up gently. Don't try to pull or anything. They should just ease off. Just like that. Alright, and because we have them ordered, or kind of online right there, I know I'm mumbling. Because I have the tape like this, it should be a little easier to deal with them when we're putting all this back together. Should be, I'm hoping. Don't get crossed over. Okay, that's that. Okay, now the camera cable right here. There we go. That's pretty painless, that one. And then this is a microphone. This one just kind of pulled out. There you go. That one's going to be annoying to get back in. That one's definitely going to be a pain to get back in there. But anyways. Okay. And now, just gotta remove this headphone jack. Perfect. And completely different type of screws. So no worry of getting confused. It's interesting, they're all different size screws. It's kind of weird. Anyways, you gotta love Mac. That one doesn't come out.